Transform your finances in 6 months. A step-by-step guide to financial freedom. Imagine this. 6 months from now, you're logging into your bank account and smiling at the sight of your financial health, your credit card debt completely paid off, your savings growing steadily, helping you sleep easy. It's not a pipe dream, it's a plan. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this happen. With a bit of dedication, smart decisions, and clear steps, you can transform your financial future in just 6 months. Let's dive in and explore the detailed roadmap to financial freedom. Step 1. Take stock of where you are. Before you can move forward, you need to know where you're starting. This is the first, and often the most overlooked, step in improving your financial health. Assess your current financial situation by tracking all your income and expenses. Sounds simple, right? But many people don't truly know where their money is going each month, which can lead to financial leaks. Here's what you need to do. Gather your documents, pull up your bank statements, credit card bills, and any other financial records you have. Record every expense. This includes the big ones, like rent or mortgage, but also the small, seemingly insignificant costs. That $5 coffee every morning. It adds up. Categorize your spending. Create categories for your spending like groceries, entertainment, housing, utilities, etc. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is flowing. Once you've listed all of your expenses, you might be surprised at how much money you're wasting on unnecessary items. Identifying these overspending areas is critical. This insight will allow you to cut back and reallocate funds toward more important goals, like saving or paying off debt. Step 2. Set specific and achievable financial goals. Now that you understand where you stand, it's time to set clear, specific financial goals. This is where you create a roadmap for the next 6 months. Having well-defined goals gives you a target to aim for, making it easier to stay on track and measure your progress. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve in 6 months? Do you want to eliminate $5,000 in credit card debt? Are you looking to build a $3,000 emergency fund? Maybe you want to save for a major purchase, like a car or a down payment on a home. The key here is to be specific, measurable, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, I want to save money, set a concrete goal like, I will save $500 per month for the next 6 months. This approach gives you a clear target, and having that goal in writing keeps you focused and motivated. Step 3. Build a smart budget. Budgeting is the backbone of any financial transformation, but don't worry, this isn't about depriving yourself of everything you enjoy. The goal is to allocate your resources wisely, so you can save more, reduce debt, and eventually achieve your financial goals. I recommend starting with the 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs. This includes essential expenses like housing, utilities, transportation, and food. 30% for wants. These are non-essential expenses like dining out, subscriptions, entertainment, and shopping. 20% for savings or debt repayment. This is where you'll allocate money for building your emergency fund, contributing to retirement savings, or paying down credit card debt. Now, these percentages aren't set in stone. You can adjust them based on your priorities. If paying off debt is a big goal for you, consider putting 30% of your income toward debt repayment and trimming down your wants category. The key here is to stay disciplined with your budget and make sure to track your spending regularly. Step 4. Cut unnecessary expenses. Once you've set your budget, it's time to look for areas where you can save money. Cutting back on unnecessary expenses is one of the fastest ways to increase your savings or pay down debt. It's all about making smarter choices. Here are some strategies to consider. Cancel unused subscriptions. Do you really need that streaming service or magazine subscription? If you haven't used them in a while, cancel them. Switch to cheaper alternatives. Maybe your gym membership is gathering dust. Consider switching to a more affordable plan, or try working out at home. Negotiate your bills. Contact your cable, internet, or insurance companies and see if you can get a better rate. Don't be afraid to ask for discounts or promotions, and always shop around for competitive pricing. These small changes can add up to significant savings over time, which can then be redirected to more important financial goals. Step 5. Increase your income. To supercharge your financial transformation, consider finding ways to boost your income. Cutting costs is important, but increasing your earnings will speed up your progress significantly. Here are a few ways to make extra money. Side hustles. Depending on your skills and interests, there are endless side hustles you can try. Online tutoring, freelance writing, graphic design, or selling handmade products on Etsy are just a few examples. Even earning an extra $200 to $500 per month can make a huge impact on your savings or debt repayment goals. Ask for a raise. If you're in a stable job, consider discussing a raise with your employer. Make your case by highlighting your contributions and showing the value you bring to the company. Explore new job opportunities. If you feel your current job doesn't offer enough earning potential, into switching to a higher paying position or industry. This can have a significant effect on your financial situation in the long run. Step 6. Track your progress and stay motivated. Once you've set the foundation with the budget, goals, and strategies to cut costs and increase your income, the next challenge is to stay motivated and track your progress. Financial success doesn't happen overnight, so it's important to monitor your journey and adjust as needed. Track your spending. Use apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget to keep track of your expenses and see how well you're sticking to your budget. Celebrate milestones. When you hit small financial goals, like paying off a credit card or hitting your savings target for the month, take time to celebrate. These achievements keep you motivated and help you stay on course. Adjust your strategies. Life happens, and things won't always go as planned. If you find that you're overspending in one category or not meeting your income goals, don't get discouraged. Make adjustments and keep moving forward. Conclusion. Your financial transformation starts now. Transforming your finances in 6 months is absolutely possible with dedication, a clear plan, and the right mindset. Start by taking stock of where you're at financially. Set clear goals. Create a budget. Cut unnecessary expenses. Increase your income, and track your progress along the way. These 6 steps will put you on the path to financial freedom. Remember, it's not just about making short-term changes, it's about building lifelong financial habits that will support you for years to come. And if you ever feel overwhelmed, take a deep breath and remind yourself why you're doing this. You have the power to change your financial future. Stay tuned, because in the next section, we'll dive into how to stay motivated during your financial transformation and make these habits stick for the long term. And if you're finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to like it. And if you want more tips like these, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on expert financial advice. Let's make 2025 the year you take control of your finances.